Hey, glad you're here, and welcome to NextGen AI Lab. This is the spot where we explore powerful AI tools, smart ways to make money online, and how to automate your content so you can work less and get more done. If you're into tools that save you time and help you earn more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around till the end because even the small stuff can make a big difference. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever wanted to make a viral video, but without showing your face, spending hours editing, or messing with complicated software? Well, what if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn just a short little prompt into a full-on video in under a minute? Sounds kind of crazy, right? But it's real, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step. By the time we're done, you'll know how to take any idea and turn it into a scroll-stopping, ready-to-post video, super fast. All right, let's dive in. I'll show you how it's done. It's way easier than you might think. Let's start by setting up your VideoGen account. Now hit that big Get Started button. You'll see two options. Sign up with Google or email. I recommend email. It's quick and simple. Enter your email address, and VideoGen will send you a verification code. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the box. Now you'll be asked a couple of simple questions about how you plan to use video. Answer a few quick questions, and just like that, you're in. VideoGen offers a free plan, but it's pretty limited. For full access, unlimited videos, high-quality exports, and all pro tools, go with the Pro plan. It's $24 per month or just $12 a month if you choose the yearly option. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard with all your video projects. Welcome to your video creation workspace. Let's take a quick look at an intro video so you know where everything is. On the main dashboard, this is where you'll see all your video projects. Here on the left menu, we have the Create Video option, which we'll use here in just a second, along with a few other settings. Now, let's go down the main sidebar menu, Media Pro. This is where all your files live, videos, images, and audio. To get started, simply drag and drop your files here, or click the Upload area. Maximum upload size is 1 GB per file. At the top, you can switch between your Uploads and Exports tabs. And at the bottom, you'll see how much storage you've used. Need more space? Just click Get More Storage. Teen Beta. This lets you manage your workspace members and team permissions. It's currently in beta, so more features are coming soon. Templates. Browse a variety of pre-designed templates to speed up your workflow. Whether it's a promo, tutorial, or ad, there's a format ready for you. AI Artist Pro. Type in a prompt and generate beautiful, unique images with AI, perfect for visual storytelling. This is a pro feature. Affiliates. Join the affiliate program and earn commission by referring new users to VideoGen. Usage. Track your account's storage, number of exports, and overall usage statistics here. Support. Need help? Access tutorials, FAQs, or contact the support team anytime. Business solutions. Explore enterprise tools designed for professional teams and large-scale production needs. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you're ready to upload files, create content, and make your ideas come to life with VideoGen. Let's get started. Now it's time to turn your idea into a finished, shareable video. Start by clicking the Create a Video button. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose from a library of over 500,000 free standard stock videos. Or, if you're a pro user, explore the Generative Images feature, where you can create animated visuals powered by AI. Want the highest quality content? EA Oil 4 Premium iStock, offering more than 12 million premium clips, tailored for businesses. You can also upload your own media or import from a URL, quick and convenient. Don't forget to adjust your clip pace, select the landscape format, and pick a template before moving on. Ready? Click Continue to start creating your video script in the next step. Now that you've selected your media, it's time to define your video's purpose. Just type your topic or idea into the prompt box. You can also choose from quick suggestions below, such as famous landmarks, today's news, employee onboarding, or even let us surprise you with a random idea. Next, choose your language. English is the default, but you can choose from over 40 different languages if you're creating content for a global audience. Then, choose the length of your video. A short video of around 150 words is about a minute long, ideal for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. Once your topic is set, click the arrow icon to move forward. Your story begins here. Great. Now that you've defined your video topic, it's time to shape the story. In this step, we'll outline the key message to keep your video clear, engaging, and impactful. You can add more sections or rearrange the structure to suit your style. Just click New Section below to expand your message. Once your outline is ready, we'll turn it into a powerful video script in the next step. Now, customize your video. Click on the microphone icon to choose your voiceover.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start
male,
creating.
Female, dynamic, calm, British, American, etc.
Welcome to the future of
Click to
video.
preview and
VideoGen
choose the
makes
voice
it
that
easy for
best
anyone
suits
to
your
start
content.
creating.
You can also adjust the speaking
Welcome to the
speed
future of
and
video.
emotion to make your voice sound more natural and engaging. Next, add background music. Click the music note icon and browse the built-in royalty-free music library. Search by mood, inspirational, dramatic, relaxing, or upbeat, and choose the one that fits your
Crafting
message.
a standout resume
Make
starts
sure
with
to adjust
clarity
the volume
and
so the
impact.
music complements the
Begin by
voiceover
tailoring
without
your resume
overwhelming it.
job, using keywords from the job description and highlighting your most relevant skills and achievements. Use concise.
Now set up your captions. Click on the theme, choose a caption style. You can choose the font, size, color, and position. You can customize the font, size, alignment, and weight. Want it bold and modern? Choose from presets like Classic, Simple 1, or Simple 2 to match your video's tone. For YouTube, a clear white caption at the bottom is a great option. For TikTok, you might want bold text at the top. Your caption will be ready in just a few clicks. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline, your main editing panel. This is where you can split scenes, delete sections, rearrange clips, or even recreate a specific section. If something doesn't look right, just click Regenerate, and the AI will refresh the scene with the new image and timing. When you're happy with the results, hit Share. Choose your resolution, 1080p for standard HD or 4K for ultra-sharp quality. Finally, hit Export. VideoGen will process your video and send you an email with a download link when it's ready. All right, that's a wrap. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Got questions? Just drop a comment. I've got you. See you in the next one.